What's up, guys? Today we're getting a muffler delete. I'm super excited. Had the car for about a week and the mufflers are already coming off. I'm looking forward to it. It's gonna sound super nice. Alright, pulling up to the best place I know in my area. DL's Radiator and Exhaust in Buffalo. So if any of you guys need any exhaust work done, go ahead and give this guy a visit. He's schedule's pretty tight, so you gotta call ahead, but he does super good work, good pricing, so hit him up if you need any work done.
February 15th from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Alright, so what you just saw, all those videos were from when I first got the car back in March, around that time, March, April. So now I'm going to show you some more newer videos. Actually, by the time you guys are watching this video right now, the car is sold. I sold it to a dealer for way more than what I bought it for. So I miss the car so much, but that's a different video. So now here's some newer clips. I'm more comfortable with the car, and just take a look. Alright guys, today might be the last day with the Scat. I had it for a few months. I picked it up for a super low price, and right now for the used car prices being as high as they are, they're buying my car back for almost $10,000 more than what I paid for it. So I would just bum myself out if I missed this opportunity. So I'm gonna drive to the dealership. I'm gonna be picking up a Ram 1500 in trade of this. But eventually in the near future, I'll be getting another one, 100%. I'm just thinking, you know, I gotta haul dirt bikes, hunting stuff. Winter time here in Minnesota is kind of ass, so I wouldn't want to be driving a Scat in the snow. But before I go, I've got about an hour to make 2 videos. I'm going to be making pretty much a farewell video for the car and an exhaust video that I've been dying to get out, but I've been so busy with work and stuff. So finally going to be able to roast some tires for you guys, give you some drive-bys, flybys, you know, 0 to 60, oh, 0 to whatever. I mean, you don't ever want to stop because the car sounds so good. But basically, if you're wondering what the car sounds like with the mid mufflers deleted but keeping the resonators, it sounds great. I wish I would have been able to cut the resonators off the back because that would have been even louder, but you know, didn't have enough time. But someday. All right, let's go find a road. There it is. I'm gonna prop this camera up on the side of the road somewhere on this tripod and see what I can do. It's kind of a little sketchy. I don't really drive too recklessly around here, but there's nobody around, so there it is. That backside looks amazing, I'll tell you that. After I put that diffuser on. Alright, I'm gonna set this camera up and give you guys some flybys. Drive past here, listen to this. I'll throw it in drive, automatic, and then I'll just floor it so you can hear that sound. You don't hear my shifting mistakes or... Alright, here we go. Beautiful. Alright guys, there's the Scat over there. It's gone. Just got a new truck. I'll give you an update. I actually just dropped my keys down here and I've been sitting outside the dealership already in front of like the main door for probably 15 minutes now, so I look like a weirdo. So I'm gonna go somewhere else, park, and I'll give you a little insight of what happened at that dealer. I got there at 9 a.m., 9:50 a.m. It's 3:40, so I'll give you guys a little scoop on what went on, but